Kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Smina. Today we paint the beautiful and delicious fruits with big eyes. First we paint the apple with big eyes, green color in leaf, red color in apple, apple is ready. Now we paint the banana with big eyes, brown color, yellow color, banana and apple look so cute with big eyes. Now we paint the grapes with beautiful colors. Light green color in grapes leaves, red color in face, dark purple color in grapes, light purple color. Kids, tell me which is your favorite fruit? Grapes are ready. Now we paint the pear. Green color in leaves, light green color in pear, kids, our grape and pear with beautiful big eyes are ready. Now we paint the peach, dark green color in leaves. Please subscribe my channel. Peach color. Red color. Now we paint the orange, light green color. Guys, my video is very knowledgeable. Please subscribe my channel and support my channel. Orange color in orange fruit. Kids, our cute fruits with big eyes are ready. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.